Learners and Leaders. Two great buildings, one fabulous school.
Good morning, and welcome to our Learners and Leaders Open House. My name is Mr. Dilipy, and I am the proud principal here at Learners and Leaders. Today, you are going to get a glimpse of what life is like at Learners and Leaders. You're going to meet some key staff members, such as our assistant principals, our parent coordinators, and multiple teachers. You'll even meet some PTA members. While meeting them, you'll get a tour of various locations in this building. Actually, both buildings, like this library in the TRS building. You'll see our cafeteria, you'll see our gym, and you'll see our other library. So I'm looking forward to seeing you here at Learners and Leaders, where we're at two great buildings, one fabulous school.
Hi, welcome to the 305 campus. Come on in, let me give you a tour of our building. Welcome to Learners and Leaders. I'm Miss Sabrina, one of the assistant principals. I welcome you to our school community. I'd love to show you around at our fabulous building. Meet Miss Arlene. She's our safety agent. Hi. She makes sure that all of the boys and girls are safe. She even knows all of the boys and girls' first names, and even their family members. This is our cafeteria. Meet Miss Maria, our head cook.
Hi everybody, welcome to my school.
So this is our cafeteria. This is where the boys and girls get to have lunch each and every day. In addition, we use this space for morning arrival and dismissal. My very favorite place of all is when the boys and girls get to go and play over at the playground right behind me. Come check it out. Welcome to the 305 campus playground. This is my favorite place of all. This is a place where the boys and girls get to come outside for recess and play with their friends. Don't worry, we got you covered, because on days like today, if there's snow on the ground or rain outside, boys and girls get a chance to play inside in the gym. Here's our main office. Come on in. This is the heart of our school. This is the main office. Parents, if you have any questions or concerns, you can call the main office, and one of our friendly staff members is always available here to help you with any questions you may have.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Soha. I am one of the paraprofessionals at PS 305, and I'm also help the school to communicate with Arabic speaking parents. Hi, معكم مس سهى. بشتغل هنا بارابروفيشنال وبساعد المدرسة إنها تتواصل مع العائلات اللي بتتكلم عربي.
Welcome to the nurse's office. Meet Miss Belgique. She's our full-time school nurse.
Hello everyone, welcome to PS 305. I just want to share with you that if your child has any medical concern or any medical issues, you can always reach out to me. Always welcome here.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Yasmina, and I am here to tell you about our curriculum at Learners and Leaders. I am one of the kindergarten teachers, and I am very excited to be using the program called Into Reading. Into Reading helps students to learn reading, writing, and phonics, all tied together with very interesting topics that are in nonfiction and great stories in the fiction category. We're also doing Into Reading phonics program. And this is exciting because the students get to attach the letter to a picture and its sound. So we do drills that go A, apple, A. B, bear, B. Z, cat, K. And all the way until Z, zebra, Z. The more the students do this, the more they attach the letter to its sound. for social studies. We are using a program that is called Passports. Passports is excellent because it helps the students take what's going on outside of the world and bring it inside into our classroom. We explore topics such as jobs for everyone, families are different, and many nations. For science, we definitely like to keep it hands-on and exciting. We may grow plants in the classroom or explore temperature using thermometers and even do small individual experiments. Finally, for math, we are using an Envision math book, which is quite rigorous, but is accessible to students because of the many hands-on manipulations that we use. So for example, rather than saying that there is a hexagon, a circle, and a triangle, we will give each individual child these pattern blocks so that they compare sides and corners and are able to describe each one without just depending on their memory, but actually holding each item. We also begin our counting by using 10 frames, and we even use the snapping cubes to help the students count 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the way up to 20. And there's a lot more that goes on in the classroom, including choice time and art, which the other teachers will be happy to share with you. But I really do hope I see you in the fall, and be well.
My name is Mrs. Podmore, and I'm one of the kindergarten teachers at Learners and Leaders. I wanted to say hello and tell you how much fun we have in our classroom. Not only do we learn so much together, but we also have fun. And one of the best times of the day is choice time. This is where you get to choose what you want to do. We have a block center where you can build, and a dramatic play center if you like to play dress up or play in the kitchen. We also have a library with so many cool books to read, and laptops and art supplies. So I hope you join me in the fall so we can learn and explore and play and have fun together.
Hi boys and girls, my name is Mr. Michael and I'm a kindergarten teacher here at PS 305. At PS 305 we believe in learning but also exercising our bodies and minds. One way that we exercise our bodies is by using a fun program called Go Noodle, where we get to dance and exercise. We also exercise by doing programs like Move to Improve, where we may do jumping jacks or stretches in order to relax our bodies.
Hello boys and girls, my name is Miss Eliza. I am a special education teacher here at PS 305. In PS 305 we have different kinds of classrooms. One classroom is called an ICT classroom. That means there are 2 teachers in that classroom, one special education teacher and one general education teacher. The students are both special education students and general education students in one classroom together. Then we have a self-contained classroom with one special education teacher and one paraprofessional. The classroom has 12 students in the classroom. These classrooms provide services based on your individual need. That is known as an IEP. An IEP is known as an individual education plan. Well, I hope to see you guys soon.
My name is Natalie, and I'm the IEP teacher here at Learners and Leaders. For those of you who may not know, an IEP is an individualized education plan for a student who receives special services. Here at Learners and Leaders, we offer services such as the support of a special education teacher or a related service provider, such as a counselor, a physical therapist, and many more.
We are the ESL team here at PS 305. I'm Maggie,
Ms. Giovanna,
and Ms. Feliciano.
Hola, somos el equipo de ESL de PS 305. Me llamo Ms. Giovanna, Ms. Maggie y Ms. Feliciano.
Some students here at PS305 need extra support in English, and we provide that.
Algunos estudiantes aquí en la escuela del 05 necesitan más ayuda en inglés y nosotros somos el equipo que trabajamos con ellos.
We each work with different grades, and I work with the 4th and 5th grade.
I work with kindergarten and first.
And I work with second and third.
Nosotros trabajamos con diferentes grados. Yo trabajo con los niños del jardín y primer grado. Miss Maggie trabaja con los niños de cuarto y quinto grado. Y Miss Feliciano trabaja con los niños de segundo y tercer grado.
Sometimes we push into the classroom where your child is, and we work with the child in a small group in the classroom.
Algunas veces nosotros vamos al salón de su niño y trabajamos con ellos en el salón.
And sometimes we pull the students out into our room and we work in a small group there.
Algunas veces sacamos a los niños de la clase a nuestras clases y trabajamos con ellos en grupos más pequeños.
Either way, your child is not missing any work from their classroom.
Quiera su niño no le falta ningún trabajo del salón que ellos están porque nosotros trabajamos con las mismas habilidades que las maestras están haciendo.
If your child will be working with us, we will be sending a letter home to introduce ourselves and give our schedule of when we're working with your child.
Si su niño trabaja con nosotros, nosotros vamos a mandarle una carta diciéndole cuándo nosotros trabajaremos con ellos y nuestra información si usted nos quiere contactar.
And if you have any questions at all about the ESL program, you can ask Ms. Feliciano.
Tienen algunas preguntas sobre otras cosas de ESL, pueden llamar a la escuela y preguntar por mí. Soy la señora Feliciano.
Y gracias por su atención.
Good morning, my name is Miss Nicole and I'm the school social worker here at PS305. I work with students from grades K through 2 and I focus on areas of social and emotional needs. So if you are ever feeling upset, frustrated, angry, sad, even if you're feeling happy, this is a safe space for you to come and work out all of those feelings. We do a bunch of different types of activities, some that are kind of mentioned here, things to de-stress and calm your body. I do have books for us to read. I have many arts and crafts activities as well. And it's just generally a space for you to come and for us to bond and for you to get all of those worries and stressful feelings out of your body. And once you go back to class, you feel so much better. So I look forward to meeting with you and I can't wait to see you here in our school.
Hello, my name is Miss Kay and I'm the school counselor. Welcome to my room. So, this is where Miss Kay does all her magic. You know, at this table, we all sit in a group session. So I help students with their social emotional learning. So we play games. You're actually thinking, oh my God, Miss Kay is so much fun, but we're actually learning. We're learning how to interact with each other. We're learning how to engage with each other. We learn how to build and form positive relationships with each other. And maybe everything is not perfect all the time. Sometimes we do have issues. And Ms. K is always here to help you. I'm also the respectful liaison. So if you have problems with anyone, like the bullying situation or anything that's going on, or anything that you want to really talk about, you can always ask your teacher to speak to Ms. K.
At Learners and Leaders, we practice to be star students. And then you get a star from a teacher, any teacher in the school saying, good job. So, self-control. How do we show self-control? Well, for the most part, walking in the hallways quietly and listening to your teachers. How do we show trustworthy? Well, we're trustworthy I trust that when I'm with my partner and we leave to go to the nurse or we leave to go somewhere in the building, we come back together. Accountable. When you make a mistake or you're mad at someone and you may say mean things, take responsibility for that. Say you're sorry. How do you be respectful? Respect everyone no matter what. Your classmates, your teachers, the lunch aides, anyone in the building, show respect for it. And then outside the building as well. Supportive. How can I be supportive? If you see a friend, even not your friend, you see someone looking down, tell them, ask them, what's going on? I'm here for you. Let me know what's going on. I want to support you. And that's how you become a star student.
Hi, my name is Mr. Vic, and I am the other assistant principal at Learners and Leaders. This is the TRS Gymatorium. It is both a gymnasium and an auditorium. When it is a gymnasium, students in grades 3, 4, and 5 visit and participate in physical activity. Just like in the 305 campus, stations are set up that they visit. When it is an auditorium, students from both buildings come and visit. They can perform and watch performance at the TRS campus. And this is our all-purpose room that we converted into a gymnasium where students come and perform physical activities at each and every one of the centers that are set up. This is one of our 2 art rooms at Learners and Leaders. Children come to the art room to express themselves artistically in different mediums of art. Not only do we teach art at Learners and Leaders, we also have partnerships with outside organizations where children have made murals in this building and also in our Feeding Middle School. These 2 beautiful murals that you see at the front entrance of the TRS building were done by former 5th grade students. We received a grant that collaborated us with IS 93. The students from IS 93 were former students of Learners and Leaders. The Colorful World of Friendship is a beautiful mural that is proudly displayed on the first floor of the 305 campus. We received a grant that allowed 4th and 5th grade students to create this beautiful artistic display. This is the TRS Campus Science Lab. Students in grades K to 2 learn science in their classroom. But students in grades 3, 4, and 5 receive their instruction right here in this wonderful science lab. This is one of our 2 libraries at Learners and Leaders. Children have free access to all the wonderful literature books that you see on the shelves next to me. Also, during the day, the library is converted into a technology lab, where students learn wonderful programs such as coding.
Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody!
Hi everyone, it's me, Cody the Coding Dog! And I'm so excited because you know why they call me the Coding Dog? Because I love coding!
Hi, I'm John Elwood. I have 2 children at PS 305, and I'm on the executive board of our PTA. The PTA is a collection of parents, guardians, teachers, and staff who advocate on behalf of the students. Our goal is to create an enriching environment educationally and socially. And we meet monthly to update the parents on our initiatives and also to have a forum to hear from the parents, for them to ask questions of us and the administration, and also to make suggestions on what we could do going forward. So if you are a parent or guardian or teacher or staff at PS 305, you're automatically a member of the PTA. We'd invite you to reach out to us, to attend the meetings, and to take part in the PTA organization.
Hello, my name is Miss Michelle. I am the parent coordinator here at Learners and Leaders. Here at Learners and Leaders, we love hearing from our parents. If you have any concerns, any comments, if you need any help with anything, I am that person you can see. Hola, me llamo Miss Michelle. Yo soy la coordinadora de padres aquí en Learners and Leaders. A nosotros en Learners and Leaders nos encanta escuchar de nuestros padres. Si tienen algún comentario, necesitan alguna ayuda, yo soy esa persona que lo puedo asistir. Thank you to everyone and hope to meet you soon. Gracias a todos y espero verlos pronto.
Well, hey there again. Well, we hope you enjoyed our open house tour of Learners and Leaders. We're all so excited for you joining us the next school year. Can't wait to see you.
Learners and Leaders. 2 great buildings, 1 fabulous school.